Okay, guys, this is Gio with the Information Girls. And yesterday we went over the guidelines for channel memberships, eligibility policies, and guidelines. And we went over the first portion of this. Now we're going to go over do a continuation of this information. And now we're going to talk about channel membership content and Perk guidelines. All channel membership benefits you offer, including badges, emojis, perks, videos, live chats, and other contents, are subject to membership policies and guidelines. While you can offer benefits that make your members feel special, the following member-only benefits are not allowed under our policies and terms. Downloads of content, including music available on YouTube, in-person one-on-one meetings, anything that one or some of all your members are chosen to get a random, including but not limited to contests, lotteries, and sweepstakes. Perks that are marketed, directed, or targeted to children that may be attractive to or inappropriate for children. Perks encouraging children to ask their parents to join your channel membership. You cannot do any of these because they are not allowed on channel perks for channel memberships. So let's move on to policies and guideline violations for channel memberships. Now let's talk about policies and guideline violations. Pause mode. Members on your channel will enter pause mode if you leave your MCN without having turned on monetization and accept the commerce product addendum before joining that MCM. Okay? Move to a new MCN that hasn't turned on your channel membership for its creators, paid features. And then 3 is set your channel as made for kids. If you do any of those 3 things, then your channel will enter the pause mode. What happens when your channel is in the pause mode? In pause mode, your members will lose access to membership offering from your channel, including badges, emojis, members only community posts, and their payments will pause. In addition, the join button will disappear from your channel. Note that members may cancel their membership at any time, including while your channel is in pause mode. Now, exit pause mode. To exit pause mode and resume channel membership, or your new MCN, you must go to your YouTube studio, and they give you the link right here, and click enable the channel membership box. You can only activate memberships if you agree to and are complying with our terms of service, including the commerce product addendum. Once you have resumed membership, uh, your members will regain access to membership offerings by your channel. They'll be charged again at the start of their next billing cycle unless they cancel. What happens if you're in pause mode for more than 90 days? If channel membership is not resumed within 90 days, memberships on your channel will be ended and you lose all members on your channel. Your members at the time of termination will automatically be refunded for the last month's payment for membership on your channel. If we need to refund your members, your share will be deducted from your AdSense account. So that's it for more information on policies and guideline violations for channel memberships. And we will continue tomorrow with warnings and strikes. This is Geo of the Information Girls. And if you have not joined the Information Girls, please do so today. And as Marlene and I always say, no rumors, just the facts.
Information Girls, we got the pearls, we got strategies where dreams come true. Let's rock this chat, don't need no flag. Got a lot of things to keep intact. So pack that channel and show some love. No rumors, just the facts. Don't you give up now. Go the distance with the Information Girls. Information Girls. We got the clothes, we got strategies where dreams